What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and I'm back with some Kamen Rider Geats, Kamen Rider Buckles, I guess. These is like a Showa Rider set, which comes with the Typhoon, Double Typhoon, and Kingstone Raised Buckle. It says that all on the side. You get the three Showa Riders, and as far as I'm aware, these are the only Showa Riders that are programmed into the Desire Driver. It does the usual buckle stuff. You can use it with boost. You can use it on its own. On the top, you just have them using it. Oh, I thought those were logos. It just looks like lightning. And this was initially sold at the Kamen Rider store, or pop-up Kamen Rider stores in Japan. But we did get a US release, and this is how I got it. I waited for the US release. And as far as I'm aware, you can actually just find this on Amazon. So yeah. It even has an official Bandai Namco kind of stickery thing, and I didn't realize that. So it's like if you really wanted to, you could peel that off. So yeah, there you go. That's pretty much the box. Very simple, but yeah, I'm glad that we're at least getting some Showa Rider representation. So it kind of makes sense. I think it's V3's 50th anniversary. I know Ichigo's Ichigo, and we have Black, obviously, maybe because Black Sun that happened recently. I don't know. Black's here. But yeah, so let's get them buckles in here and we will see what they do. And here are all three buckles. So let's take a look at the Typhoon buckle, which is Ichigo's transformation belt, which is pretty neat. You got this nice teal and red color, which is pretty nice. I do like it a lot. You got very simple. You can turn it around however which way. I'm gonna be honest, because of the design of this belt, and since you can't really see the sides, I don't know which one's up and which one's down. But you got its number 54. So yeah, looks like every other one. So next up, we got the Double Typhoon, which obviously has the V3, or the 3 and the V for V3. And it has the double pinwheels. It has a nice, it looks a little lighter in my camera, but it actually looks like a dark metallic green, which is really nice. And you get the red. So yeah, that's V3 is number 50. And we got the Kingstone. And yeah, this is Black's belt. It can turn. It gets the nice maybe gunmetal-ish silver with the nice black. So yeah. And it is 49. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, that's Black. So let's get started and start using them in the Desire Driver. There we go. And you get that iconic transformation sound. Alright, let's use it with Kuga, because I said so. And since it's the first Kamen Rider series, let's do it with our latest Kamen Rider buckle that we have with Revice, just so you can hear the differences between the jingles from the Showa era, from the start of the Showa era, to the most recent one of the Reiwa era. Oh. I don't know how it disconnected. And let's use it with one of the boost buckles. So let's bring in boost Mark 2. And there. Next up, let's move on to the double Typhoon. The double Typhoon. This isn't Monster. There we go. And let's use it with Ichigo. And now let's use it with Sentai. And now let's get back to boost. And last but not least, let's move on to the Kingstone. To the Kingstone. Come on. Work. Now let's use the Kingstone. There it is. That sounded so 80s. And let's use V3. And there we go. So let's use another random rider buckle with O's. And there's that. Let's use it with boost. And there you go, and that's what they all can do in the, I almost said Revice driver, in the Desire driver. So let's see what happens when we use it in the Vision driver. Cut to the Vision driver. Alright, here we have the Vision driver all ready to go, so let's just get started. And that forgot to hack. Now let's... We got Ichigo's little face. you go. And that's Ichigo. Next up is V3. Got very colorful. Got V3's little face. So there you go. And last but not least, we got Black. If it would let me plug it in. You got Black's color scheme, which looks really cool. Got Black's face. So yeah, and there you go. And that's all they do in the Vision driver. So yeah, I guess let's get it out of here. And yeah, overall, I think these are fun buckles. If you're collecting rider buckles, you know, it's always fun to have some Showa Riders. And these are probably the only 3 Showa Riders we're going to get. So, and if they are going to release any more, it's not going to have any sounds in the Desire driver, I think. I think these are all the sounds in the Desire driver. So, these are good enough for me. I think this is a really solid set. And you can get it pretty easily. Go ahead. I can highly recommend them. I don't think they're for everyone. The Vision driver went off in the background. I don't know if you guys could hear that. But, yeah, overall, I think these are fun buckles, just like the Rider buckles. I don't think they're necessary. I just think they're fun. So, I don't know. Which one is your guys' favorite? I kind of like Black's, but I do like all 3 of their sounds just for how fun they sound. Like, I love old Showa transformations. I think they're, like, their sound effects are so great. Like, so good. But, tell me down in the comments which is your favorite, and until whatever I do next, bye.